NIPOF! Let's find out!
Hi friends, 5 big questions today.
And 5 silly answers from me. Question time. Why do snakes flick their tongues? Easy, snakes taste the air.
Nope, watch this. The tongue picks up scent chemicals. A special organ reads them.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, that helps find prey in paths.
Question time. Why does baking soda fizz with vinegar? Easy, kitchen volcano chemistry.
Nope, watch this. Vinegar is an acid, baking soda is a base. Together they make CO2 gas.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, bubbles are that gas escaping.
Question time. Why do we get sleepy in warm rooms? Easy, heat presses the snooze button.
Nope, watch this. Comfortable warmth relaxes muscles. Body systems shift toward rest.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, cooler air often feels more waking.
Question time. Why do satellites not fall down? Easy, satellites are professional almost crashers.
Nope, watch this. Gravity still pulls them. But sideways speed is huge.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, the curve of fall matches Earth's curve.
Question time. Why do peacocks have fancy tails? Easy, peacocks won the Fashion Olympics.
Nope, watch this. Males grow huge colorful trains. Showing off can impress peahens.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, it's a signal of health and genes. Recap time, here are all 5 questions. Pause the video and try to answer them yourself.
No peeking, I'm watching you.
Ready? Quick answers, go. Number 1, tongues collect scent particles for a smell organ. Number 2, acid and base react and release carbon dioxide. Number 3, warmth can lower alertness and coax rest. Number 4, they fall around Earth so fast they keep missing. Number 5, bright tails help attract mates.
I got most of them right.
See you next time, stay curious.